They are paying $925 a month. The other unit on the market, you'll be able to rent that easily for $925 a month as well. And then you will have yourself a fully occupied cash flow producing property, bringing in almost $2,000 a month in rent. All right, y'all, got another two-family coming to you in Cleveland, Ohio, 4715 Eichorn, okay? Coming to you, $139,999, okay? Now, the footage I'm showing you here, this is both units totally empty, totally vacant, totally rent ready, okay? The down unit, we actually just leased. We leased it for $925 a month. That lease starts literally March, as I talked to you, it's March 27th. That tenant has literally already paid their deposit. Moving in tomorrow, March 28th. Good till March 28th, 2026. They are paying $925 a month. The other unit on the market, you'll be able to rent that easily for $925 a month as well. And then you will have yourself a fully occupied cash flow producing property, bringing in almost $2,000 a month in rent. $1,850 is what this should bring in. No issues, right? We got some newer mechanicals in there. We just recently replaced over the last couple of years or so. The hot water tanks, the electric panels are updated. The furnaces are newer, okay? You do have to go through another round of lead certifications. This one has not been lead certified. You got to do those every 2 years at the moment. I don't know if Justin Bibb and the rest of Cleveland's going to change that in the coming future. They seem to be changing the lead laws every like 6 months. But everything is recently painted, renovated, ready to go. There shouldn't be any peeling paint issues. So it should just be a little bit of bureaucratic annoyance, a few $100 for the inspections, and you should be good to go. There shouldn't be any crazy repairs needed since everything has been recently renovated, right? We're all about transparency here, so that's why, of course, you get the full video tours of both units. And also, if you guys, before you make your offers, you would like to tour that vacant unit, we can get you in there same day you reach out to us. Just send us an email, sales@holtonwise.com. We're not going to have you do a tour and bother the brand new tenant in the other unit, though. That would be crazy. And there's a lot of looky-loos and a lot of tire kickers out there, and we ain't going to mess with the tenants, okay? We'll get you into that unit after an approved offer that has been accepted, that is contingent on inspection, has been made. But that is the only time we are going to disturb the tenants, okay? I've been doing this a long time, guys. I've sold over $200 million worth of real estate, sold thousands of properties. I know every one of you that reaches out thinks you're actually going to close, but that's not how it actually works in the real world. So you got to get some skin in the game, put your best foot forward before we're going to be bothering the tenants for every yahoo that reaches out to me. I know you all think you're great and you're all pros here, but in reality, 90% of you that reach out to me are yahoos. But I know the ones that aren't, that actually will buy it, you'll be able to follow those protocols, and that shouldn't be an issue, and we will get it sold for you. And then my team can continue managing it if you like, or you could hire another property manager, or you could self-manage. It doesn't matter to us, whatever you want to do, right? If all that is good and you're ready to make an offer, or you're ready to go tour that unit, just send us an email, sales@holtonwise.com. If your offers are coming in, include how much you want to pay, the full address, right? Put the full property address in the email, guys, along with how much you want to pay, and your proof of funds if you're cash, or your pre-approval letter if you're financing it. If you need lenders, I got you. Just send me an email. I'll give it to you. And before you go, though, for those out-of-state guys that can't actually come in and tour that vacant unit, stick around, because I'm going to show you the complete, uncensored video tour now, right? It's been popping up, popping down, popping up, popping down as I've been talking to you. So you get to see all of that footage in its complete entirety, so you get an exact idea of exactly what you're buying.
Welcome back. We got another straight up banger for you. 4715 Eichorn. We got that across the street. Sorry, I almost dropped the camera. Inside. freshly sided. Section 8 tenant moving into the bottom unit. We got a fresh vape pen, blue raspberry on the ground.
Lockbox is fucked. Little black thing.
Oh, the little lever
way,
don't work?
Yeah, it's way not the lever, but the cover.
Yeah, that's how I meant, the cover lever.
Yeah, it's off track and it's like this instead of this. And you can't.
Did you open the up unit already?
Not yet. I didn't know which one order you wanted to go.
It doesn't matter. I gotta do them both, so. You know, I figure it's probably best we'll do the up, come down, come through this back door here.
And maybe finish the garage. This is maybe it, right?
Yeah, but the garage is fucked. I don't think we want to. Like, the door is fucked. It's falling apart.
Oh, yeah. We're not going to be able to close it. It's not good.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yep, not turned over.
Fresh paint. She dropped a bucket on when they were moving in.
Did she?
Yeah.
Nice handrail.
Beautiful handrail. It's not like this unit turn needs a lot of work,
No, it's just basically cleaning and
from what I remember.
some touch-ups. Carpet cleaning.
Yep. Bathroom's behind that door.
Yeah.
Yep.
Love to see fucking
Double eviction
black and
unit.
mild rappers just chilling.
Yeah. Closet or third bedroom.
I'm surprised somebody hasn't tried to pass this shit off in the bedroom. How fucking window, dude?
For this
Oh, the attic's through there too.
Yeah. Closet and attic. Closet's back here. Nice built-ins.
Typical unfinished attic.
Yeah, it's just a regular unfinished attic. Unfinished. Oh, my knees. God damn it. The beauty of this place is every room is accessible from the room next to it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pretty much.
Alright, I'll have you lead down so you can open up that other one for me. There it goes.
Shut this fucker.
God damn me. It's be easy to convert back into a single family too if you wanted to use. That door goes to the kitchen of the other unit. Am I open over here?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. See, that's that door. Section 810 moving in here soon. This is a porch column.
Yeah, this one's gonna have people moving in, which is very honest.
So you're saying we should do something about the porch column then? I mean,
Probably be a considerate thing to do.
it's weird though that, like, yeah, it's nice that people are moving in, but these floors are fucking gross.
Yeah, it sucks too, because the people moving in used to be tenants of ours that we sold their house, and then they came back, and I was like, yeah, you guys are sweet, I'd rather keep you guys, and then they did everything right. Right after they moved in, we're gonna sell this one too.
It's got the same fucking walkthrough that the other one had. Yep. Like I said, this would be easy as fuck to turn back into a single family if you didn't want to rent it, if you just wanted to live here.
Well, yeah, because that door.
Yeah. That's the basement. I'm gonna do the bathroom and then basement, and we're done. As John says, every house has a bathroom.
Yeah.
And this one does too. Oh god, I hate these Cleveland steps that go straight down into a fucking scary deep basement.
Well, I think it's actually nice, especially since they painted. What's up with this dehumidifier too? Are we keeping that, or are we getting to the owner? Pretty much outside.
I think it's gotta stay here while they're here because this basement like fucking leaks or some
Yeah, I
shit.
thought we said something about this.
I need to invest in some furnaces though. Well, one. This is a new one. It's pretty cool. I think I'll put that up. Oh, where's the other right there? Here.
Oh, nice. Windows just wide open. Why not have that?
Best I can do. And for down. And for up. It says up laundry. There's no laundry upstairs.
No, that back room though is there. So that probably just controls that one.
Oh yeah, that one little room.
Right by the door. This block.
Yeah. And creepy ass fucking whatever this is.
What do you think Walker 1959 is?
Johnny Walker?
Could be.
Oh no, that's like the
Brick maker?
brick, yeah. That's pretty cool.
I mean, it's coming up on like 67 years old.
Yeah. It's pink as fuck, dude. Fucking Kramered into here. Whoa.
Good enough for me.
Yeah.
What do you think about this color?
I don't know. I'll leave it for now. We'll see what John wants to do.
We could just put it on the pillar up there. Make it look like it's
Yeah, but it'll fall over. Then we'll look like retards. Alright. Let's get a 2-car garage. Just an empty garage. Back of the house. Looks alright. New fence, neighbor fence. She's a beaut.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.